Good afternoon, students. Welcome to revision problems day 1. Today we are going to discuss about length problems. Because already we successfully completed the lesson. The lesson name is measurement of length. Then second, the measurement of weight. I told any doubt, any critical problem is there, you have to send or you have to call to my mobile, then I will explain that at next video. Okay, today we are going to discuss about length problems. Means already we know that the basic things. Basic things means what is the standard unit of measuring length? Which is the standard unit of measuring length? The standard unit of measuring length is always. Which is the standard unit of measuring length? The meter is the standard unit of measuring length. Remember that meter is the standard unit of measuring length. Then what is the 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter? Remember that, it is very important. 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? This is the question. Then you have to answer 1 meter equal to always 100 centimeter. It cannot be changed anywhere. It's a fixed value. The 1 meter is always 100 centimeter. Then next one is kilometer. Remember that kilometer. The 1 kilometer equal to how many meters? 1 kilometer, the short form is 1 km equal to 1000 meter. Remember that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. I am going to revision only, but sir is telling this much speed. Don't think only you have to listen. Okay, because which is the standard unit of measuring length means the standard unit of measuring length is meter. Then 1 meter equal to always 100 centimeter. Then next unit is kilometer, because the distance should be very lengthy, because we have to tell the Mudhol to Jamkhandi distance. We are telling in meter, we are not telling in meter, sir, we are telling in kilometer, because Jamkhandi to Mudhol it is 20 kilometers, sir, we are telling that. Then we are telling our state board school to CBSE school, sir, we are telling in kilometers, sir, it is not kilometers, sir, it is meter. 100 meter, 200 meter, 300 meter we are telling, because the distance should be short means we are using meter, the distance should be long means we are using their kilometers. Okay, remember that. Then very much distance should be very short means we are using their centimeter. It is 50 centimeters, because we are using in your geometry lesson. Your scale is there, that 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeters is there, because total your scale 0 to 15 centimeter scale is there. Okay, then again we are calling that in another one is there, millimeter is there, because one is kilometer, another one is meter, then centimeter, then millimeter. Mm means meter, millimeter. These are the units of length. We are calling that these are units of length. Remember that. Okay. Then how many units of length are there means we are calling there, one is kilometers, addition of length problems. Okay, 1 minute. Now addition of length problem. First problem, 220 kilometer plus 300 kilometer. Find the sum. Find the sum. Then how to find this one? Always remember they are given 220 kilometer plus 300 kilometer. Is it correct? Then you have to write one below another one, because first they are given 220 kilometer, then plus 300 kilometer, because they are given kilometer into kilometer. Compulsory how to add meter to meter, kilometer to kilometer, and they are given centimeter, means you have to add centimeter to centimeter. Okay, write down this one. Next, then 0 plus 0 always 0. Any number you have to add with 0, the answer should be always 0 only. Okay, then again 2 plus 0, the answer is 2. Then 2 plus 3, answer is 5. Then the last answer is 520 kilometers. Okay, then second one problem, 20 kilometer 530 meter plus 6 kilometer 600 centimeter. Find the sum. Find the sum. Then you have to write one below another one. Okay, because here 20 kilometer 530 meter, then 20 kilometer 530 meter, then plus, but sir here given 6 kilometer only, here 20 kilometer, but you have to write unit place below unit place only, then it is 6 kilometer, then 600 meter, then add it. Okay, 0 plus 0 always 0, 3 plus 0 3, because any number you have to add with 0, the answer should be that number only. 6 plus 5, how much? 6 plus 5, you should remove 5, means it is 4 plus 6, 11. It is 11. You have to do mentally only the problems. Okay, 0 plus 6, 6, 6 plus 1, it is 7, 2 as it is, then it is answer is 130 meter. Okay, 27 kilometer 130 meter. All of you write these problems, one line, two problems. Okay, write down fast. Okay, next problem we are going to discuss. Okay, next problem. The length of red wire is 6 meter 50 centimeter, and the length of black wire, is 7 meter 70 centimeter. Find the total length of both wires. This is word problem. Dear students, first of all you should understand the problem, what is given there. Okay, then you have to understand the length of red wire. Remember that the length of red wire. Okay, the length of red wire is 6 meter, then 50 centimeter, and the length of black wire. The length of black wire is 7 meter and 70 centimeter. Find the total length of both wires. Okay. First of all, you should write statement. The answer: the red wire length is equal to 6 meter 50 centimeter. Then the white wire, the black wire length is equal to, how much is there? 7 meter 70 centimeter. Then find the total length of the wire. Total length of wire means you should add it. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 7, how much? 5 plus 7, it is 12. Then 6 plus 7, it is 14. Then total length of wire, the total length of wire is 14 meter 20 centimeter. Okay, understood? All of you write this problem with red pen and this one blue pen. Write down. Now, dear students, convert the following units to other unit, because they are given they are given 6 meter, convert into centimeter. Convert into centimeter. Because conversion of the units. Converting of the units. It is given 6 meter is there, convert into centimeter. First of all, you should observe meter is bigger or centimeter is bigger. Sir, absolutely meter is bigger, sir. Because 1 meter is always have 100 centimeter. Is it right? Okay. Then you have to write solving method. You have to remember 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Is it correct? Then 6 meter means how much centimeter? Then 6 into 100, 6 ones are 6 and 2 0 directly. Sir, it is 600 centimeter. Is it correct? Remember one thing, when we are converting bigger unit to smaller unit, remember that when we are converting bigger unit to smaller unit, compulsory you have to do multiplication. Understand? Then again second one, 6 kilometer convert into meter. It is very easy. Sir, 6 kilometer convert into meter. First you have to think it. Sir, here given kilometer, convert into meter. Absolutely. The bigger unit to smaller unit. Understand? Then remember that I told first only 1 kilometer equal to how many meters? 1 kilometer km equal to 1000 meters. Remember that it is very important. 1 kilometer always 1000 meters. Then 6 kilometer means 6 into 1000, 6000 meters. Remember that. Then it is the final answer, 6000 meters. Another one, third one, 6.5 kilometer equal to how many meters? It is very important question. 6.5 kilometer equal to how many meters? Remember that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. Then 6.5 means 6 only you have to take. Then 1000, 6000. Then 5 is there. It is 500. Then 6500 meter. 6500 meter. Okay, all of you write down these problems. Okay, this one write red pen, answer write blue pen. Write all. Okay, write fast. Okay, finish. Okay, now next we are going to discuss about subtract. Subtract means subtract the following. Okay, first one, 7 kilometer 500 meter subtract from 8 kilometer. This was only problem given. First of all, you should read and understand. 7 kilometer 500 meter subtract from 8 kilometer. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? First of all, you have to understand the problem. 7 kilometer 500 meter ಅನ್ನ 8 kilometer ದಲ್ಲಿ subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Some are doing what? Sir, first one is given there means you should write first, and second one given there sir below you should write and subtract. How it is possible? First you have to observe which number is bigger. There 7 kilometer is there and 500 meter is there, but here 8 kilometer is there. 8 kilometer to kilometer comparison means 8 kilometer is bigger. Then you have to write here 8 kilometer 0 meter, because no number is there means you have to write there 0. Then minus 7 kilometer 500 meter. Then you have to subtract. 0 minus 0 always 0. 0 minus 0 always 0. 0 is not subtract 5. Then what we do? Sir, you take the borrow. It is 10. Then give the borrow. 10 minus 5 always 5. 8 minus 8 it is 0. Sir, 0 kilometer 500 meter answer. Then second one, 66 meter 50 centimeter subtract from 70 meter 55 centimeter. Okay, subtract from that number. First you should write that number. 70 meter 55 centimeter minus 66 meter and 50 centimeter. Then you have to subtract. 5 minus 0 always 5. 5 minus 5 always 0. 0 is not subtract. Take the borrow. 10 10 minus 6 it is 4, then it is 0. Then remember that, sir, 4 meter and 5 centimeter is coming. Okay, write down this one all. Dear students, it is word problem. The total length of cloth is 66 meter 70 centimeter. Out of that cloth, 55 meter, out of that cloth, 55 meter 60 centimeter removed. Find the remaining cloth length. This is the question. Okay, what I told, every time first you should read the question properly 2 or 3 or 10 times. You have to read properly. The total length of cloth is 66 meter 70 centimeter. One cloth is there, that cloth, one bundle cloth is there, that cloth length is 66 meter 70 centimeter is there. Out of that cloth, 55 meter and 60 centimeter is already removed. Removed means it is sold out. Then find the remaining cloth length. Remember students, what I am telling, ಒಂದು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಬಂಡಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಬಂಡಲದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಇಷ್ಟದ್ರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then what is the remaining cloth? What is the remaining cloth you have to find? First of all you should write what is given there. Okay, then answer the total length of cloth is 66 meter 70 centimeter. Then the length of removed cloth, how much? 55 meter 60 centimeter. Then you have to subtract it. 0 minus 0 always 0. 7 minus 6 1. 6 minus 5 1. 6 minus 5 1. Then it is the remaining cloth length 11 meter 10 centimeter is remaining cloth. I hope